This 2022 Kia Sportage is brought to you by Twins, Chrysler Dodge Jeep Ram, your neighborhood trusted dealership. This Kia is powered by front-wheel drive, automatic transmission, regular unleaded i4 2.4L 144 engine, and has 61 miles. Explore life's adventures in a 2022 Kia Sportage. Reliability, style, and value await. Here are some of the features. Visit us today to test drive this car and similar vehicles. Don't forget to follow us to receive daily new listings in your neighborhood.